Merhaba, good morning. Today we are exploring the local area to see what's for lunch. Well, this shop looked pretty interesting right here. It's Turkish Çiğ Köfte. Okay. I hope I didn't butcher the name of it. This is typical of Turkish culture. They always bring us something that we didn't order and offer it as gift or extra. Very kind people here. So we wrap it in salad, little lime. My wife's trying this. Yeah. All right, here we go. We wrap it in salad. Squeeze a little lime in there. Oh, there's some hot sauce. I'm gonna dip the hot sauce in here. It is fantastic.